Herbert Peabody and the Pinecone Bird Feeders. Hey, it's Herbert Peabody. Herbie's spending the morning outside. "Hello, Herbie," says Rosella. "Good morning," says Magpie. Herbie tells Ladybug about an idea. Inspired by Worm's pine cones the other day. Let's make pinecone bird feeders. Grandma will show us the way. We put wild bird seed into a bowl and get some nut butter ready. We spread it onto the pine cone, pushing the nut butter in nice and steady. It's time to coat the pine cone with the wild bird seeds. Our pinecone bird feeder is looking great. Now some twine is what it needs. We wind twine around the pine cone and wind around again. Now we tie a double knot. Granddad ties it to the tree and then our pinecone bird feeder is ready. We watch to wait and see. "Thank you," says this little bird. "For making this bird seed feast for me." It's kind and caring to look after our birds, and we all want to say, we can't wait to see you on our next adventure day.